Next, for ill and L, we have two possessive adjectives. They are L and L. So, both these words mean there. Le livre. Because the noun is in the singular form, we write le. If the noun is in the plural form, we would say le. If it is in the plural form, we would say le. If it is in the singular form, we would say le. So, once again, I'll just write down the possessive adjectives. It is very easy. So, for je, we have mon, ma and me. Means. For tu, we have ton, ta and te. For il and el, do you remember? Yes, we have son, sa and ses. For nous, we have two possessive adjectives. It is notre and nos. For vous, it is votre and vos. For il and elle, we have two. They are le and le. So these are the possessive adjectives. Take a note of these. We are going to be using these in a lot of sentences.